everybody. Today we are going to have a go at activity 3. It says, read this part of Monkey Puzzle again and then have a go at answering the questions. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to read the text. No, that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils around trees. She coils round trees, then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, that's a snake. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mum's got more legs. And then we're going to have a go at answering the questions. Question 1, I need to read it first, says, what animal is the great grey hunk? So this question is asking me what animal, so I know that my answer is going to be an animal. And what animal is the great grey hunk? So the words great grey hunk are my keywords in there, which I'm going to be looking for in the text. So I'm looking for great grey hunk and I'm looking for which animal they are about. So let's scan with my finger for the words great grey hunk. I've just spotted them there, so I'm going to highlight those. Great grey hunk. Now I need to read the text to see which animal the great grey hunk is about. No, that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. So there are two animals there, the elephant and the monkey's mum. I wonder which one is a great grey hunk. Well, I know that elephants are grey, and I also know that great is another word for big, and hunk is something big and strong and muscly, which also would make sense to describe the elephant. So I think the elephant is the great grey hunk because they're big and grey and strong. What animal is a great grey hunk? So in there, I'm going to answer this question, elephant. Now I'm going to move on to question number 2 because I think I've got question number 1 right. My answer makes sense. Which of the elephant's body parts is curly? So my answer is going to be one of the body parts of the elephant. It's going to be an elephant's body part, and I'm looking for the body part that is curly. So I'm going to scan for that word curly and see which of the elephant's body parts it describes. Curly. I'm scanning with my finger. There we go. Curly. Now I need to read the sentence that word curly is in to see which body part it describes. She hasn't got tusks. Well, it doesn't say the tusks are curly. Or a curly trunk. So the word curly is describing the trunk. And that makes sense because the trunk is part of the elephant's body. So my answer to which of the elephant's body parts is curly, I'm going to write the word trunk. Now it's your turn, year ones, to have a go. Have a go at answering questions number 1 and 2. And I'm also going to read the rest of the questions for you as well. Question 3 says, find and copy 2 words that describe the elephant's knees. So you're looking for 2 words from the text that describe the elephant's knees. Question number 4 says, the monkey's mum's tail coils round trees. And you have to answer true or false. So see if you can find evidence in the text that the monkey's mum's tail coils round trees. And if you can find the evidence, it's true. But if you cannot find any evidence, then it's probably false. Number 5 says, why might the butterfly think the snake is the monkey's mum? This is an inference question, so there might be some evidence in the text, but you might not know the answer for sure, so you have to really think about it. Why do you think the butterfly might think the snake would be the monkey's mum? And number 6 is a prediction question. It says, predict which animal the butterfly might take the monkey to next after he says, my mum's got more legs. And see if you can explain your thinking using the word because as well. So after the monkey says, my mum's got more legs than that, Which animal do you think might come next?